Now in this video we are going to talk about the year and today function. So let's understand the year and today function, how it works. I already in the D customer table and I have created new column as similar previous video. I have told you the many times how to create a new column. So I have created new column. Let's understand how to extract the birth year from the birth date. So we already have a birth date column over here. We are just going to extract a birth year. Okay, simply write down birth year. Okay, goes to year function we need, and from which we are taking this birth year from birth date of the customer table. So from D customer table we are going to see all the columns over here because we selected the D customer table. So let's type birth date. So automatically it will appear. Just click on it, complete the bracket. Let's see. So we got the birth year. Now again we will take another column. For another column, we will extract the today's date, the current date of my system. So see, age. Okay. We are going to calculate the age of individual. Okay, so I am just giving you the example how we can use the today function and later on how we can calculate the age, right? So because for calculating the age we are going to consider the today's date and minus of that particular date year. So we will get the age of that individual customer. Is it? So age is equals to year function under the bracket today. Okay. We got today's year 2024. We simply need to minus that particular birth year. We previously we calculated the birth year. So minus birth year, right? Enter. See, we got the individual age. So now we understood the year and today function. From that we calculate the age of that particular individual customer. I hope you got this the concept.